Hey guys, so welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2012 Ford Fusion with some mods. So it's obviously been lowered, aftermarket wheels, carbon fiber wrapped hood, exhaust, intake. But the real thing is it only has 73,000 miles and is actually in really good condition. But it's just kind of funny. Where are you? There you are. Let's take a look at what the intake looks like. Where's the hood release on this thing? Oh, it's an in-gen intake. Okay, I fully expected it to be some off-brand intake. All right, let's take this thing for a ride. It does have some painted components in here, but you know, it's not bad. Honestly, this it's so funny because Adam and I were talking about this car, and it's like, it's honestly not that bad. You know, you look at it and you're like, oh, it's gonna drive terrible. It's not that bad. AC works, 73,000 miles, does need an alignment, and tires are wearing a little unevenly, but whatever. Intake noises are freaking awesome. I was gonna say, don't tell me that's painted. Obviously all this is painted. But you know what? I have to say, for spray painted components, these are done pretty well. There's no real overspray anywhere in the interior. So if you're gonna spray paint it, this is kind of the way to do it. I almost think all of these were actually taken out and painted outside of the car. This thing has auto headlights. Definitely has LED headlights. So it does have an aftermarket exhaust as well, but I'll be honest, I can't really hear it really over the intake noise. So it's like it's not very loud. The intake isn't stupid loud. It's just, I went into this expecting it to be absolutely awful, because I've driven cars like this that have these parts thrown on them and they are awful to drive. I have to say, this is done well. The paint, like all these things, if you put them all on paper, you are gonna say it drives terrible, I want no part of it. This drives really good, and it's honestly a lot of fun. will say the one downside of white dashboard trim is the reflection on the windshield's horrendous. I gotta say, Adam, this thing overall, it didn't make a bad purchase. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.